Hi guys, this is the new DJI Mic Mini which I've gifted to myself. I've ordered this from Amazon for 5,800 approximately. So let's quickly get this out of the packaging. So ये box है कुछ इस तरह से. It has got a plastic wrap on it. That's the specs and the items which you get. DJI branding over here. The picture of the items inside. Some barcode. Let me quickly remove the plastic cover which is there. I'm super excited guys. Let's see what's there inside. Standard packaging है मतलब there's nothing fancy as such, but yeah, it's decent. So this is the box. Let's open it from here. So the first thing we get out of the box is a pouch, DJI pouch in a plastic wrapped thing, and then I guess few documentation, a DJI sticker. I guess that's what I can see from here. Let's keep this box aside first. Okay, so ये खोल रहा हूँ मैं अभी. इसके अंदर I guess वही basic documentation सी है और additionally एक खाली sticker मिलता है DJI का. That's the one, yeah, which I was talking about. Perfect, very nice. Standard documents as I said. And user manuals and everything. So if you want to read it, please read it. Let's keep this aside. Sticker is nice. Plastic is very nice. It's not very cheap plastic actually, the plastic which I've used. And this is the pouch. Let's quickly open it up. Okay, so the first impression, very nice quality. The pouch itself is looking very nice. ये something tag लगा के रखा है लोग ने. बहुत मस्त क्वालिटी है. DJI का ब्रांडिंग है. That's the chain. Let's open it up and all the things are inside. Let's see what we have here. So let me remove it out everything first and then unwrap it. That's the main thing, Mike. Super excited guys. That's the transmitter. What's this? The silica gel. Yeah, obviously. Let's put it aside and let's keep this aside as well. The quality is very nice. DJI branding looks neat. The chain quality is also good. Very nice. Thumbs up. Okay, so let's unwrap this. So this is the receiver. This is the knob to change the gain. Pairing button clip over here. Pins, and this is the port where you can put the type C cord. 3.5mm jack and the power button. Yeah, that's all about it. The quality is very nice, very sturdy. The moment you take it in the hand, you will come to know it's made very nicely. अभी next item क्या है? Let's see. Is the dead cat, 2 dead cats. Next is the magnet, I believe. A magnet here, no? Nine. I guess this is the Type C which I was talking about, which you can connect it to the receiver and attach it to your mobile phone or your camera. Let me try this. Okay, it's very tight because it's the first time when I'm actually inserting this. Let me do that later. Let's keep this aside for now. So that's where it goes. Close this. Okay, next thing which we have is the cables. So I guess we'll have the charging cable and the 3.5mm jack to connect the receiver and the camera. Yeah, that's what it is. There you go. That's the 3.5mm jack. Two 3.5mm jack to connect to the receiver and the camera, and the other one is a Type A to two Type C cord. That's the Type A thing. And this you can connect it one to the receiver and one to the charging dock for the transmitter. The quality is very nice and it's not long enough, but yeah, the build quality is very nice of the wires of the cables. Next क्या अपने पास okay, so this is the charging dock. So one of the Type C, you can insert it here and then put your mic on this. It will attach magnetically. I'll just show it to you guys, just a sec. Yeah, that's the main thing, the mic. So you have a magnet already connected over here. So this is a very very strong magnet. DJI branding उसके सामने है, बहुत strong magnet है. You can see this. If you just attach it, your mic is not going anywhere. You can use it with the clips or with the magnet, that's your choice. So let's keep that aside. So that's the charging dock pins, the holes for the microphone, then charging dock pins, the power on off button, the Bluetooth and the clip. DJI branding on this as well. And there you go. Let's show you this one. So if you put it, yeah, it gets attached magnetically, but if you put it the other way around, वो connect नहीं होगा. It will just stick the right way. Yeah, like that. That's the magnet. Seriously, the magnets are very strong. 10 out of 10 for this magnets. These dead cats have some plastic over here. मेरे को लगा कि ये magnetic रहेगा ये भी, just to attach it, I guess. So let's see. Let's try if it's magnetic or something like that. No, I don't think so. It's magnetic. Yeah, there you go. It slipped. So it's plastic kind of thing. So you need to align it and just press it. It clicks. So there will be a click sound which will come. So that's when your dead cat will be attached. Just press it once. So that's the same thing for the other one as well. So it has got plastic alignment which you need to put on top of the mic and just press it. So you'll hear a click sound. That's when it's locked in the position. There you go. So these all are the items which you get along with the box in the DJI Mic Mini. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching the video, and yep, have a lovely day. Bye bye, see you soon.